On this next video, we are going to create RSS to Instapaper. Let's start. Click Create Zap. Search for RSS. Click RSS by Zapier. Choose New Item and Feed. Click Continue. Grab your feed URL. Paste it in here. Click Continue. Test trigger. Click Continue. Search for Instapaper. Click Add Page. Click Continue. Sign in your Instapaper account. Yes, continue. You have your Instapaper account connected. Click Continue. Click URL. Select Linked or Link. Title. Click Continue. Test action. Click Publish. Publish and turn on. Yep, we have successfully created an RSS to Instapaper Zap. Rename this to RSS to Instapaper. Click back. And we can check the Instapaper account. Here it is. It's being published. I'm going to delete it. And it's done.